Hi, my name is Laura Okolo. I'm based in Houston, Texas. I work with Transitional Healthcare of America, and I want to say welcome to JAD Pro Live 2025 at the Gaylord National Harbor here in Maryland. One good takeaway that you may have experienced when you attended the bone marrow biopsy and aspiration workshop is that there are so many really good tools out there that we have access to that are allowing patients to have better experiences with this procedure, as well as providing a good sample so that way they're able to get a good result when it comes to not having to come back to the office and repeat a procedure that they really don't look forward to doing. I know something that I always look forward to when attending JAD Pro Live is all of the advances that we have made and the progress that we've been able to make for our patients to improve their outcomes and help with their life expectancy. There are so many good providers, clinicians who are here to teach us and give us the opportunity to have so many good takeaways so we can take that into practice and better serve our patients.